Yes sir, rise and grind, good people. Back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright man, this morning I'm out here in Norcross with the I got two vehicles. Got this one here, it's a 2010 Toyota Corolla. I'm doing a thermostat radiator on it. And this thing been glued up. They tried to patch it up, but it's leaking. So we're gonna knock that out.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Alright, trying to get this done before the rain hits. It's supposed to be raining all day. 95%. Alright, we got these brackets here. 10mm bolts holding it in. So they're not a 10 mil, they 12 millimeters. That's what hold the bracket or the radiator in place. Alright, next, drain the fluid. Alright, after the fluid's drained, we're gonna take off the hoses. Lower radiator hose and the upper. Let's get it. Alright, we got all the hoses undone. I took the hose from the thermostat off instead of that bottom to the radiator. It's a little easy access. That one. Alright, this hose here. And what are we doing next? Let me see. Take out the fan. These bolts here look like 10 mils. So this piece here, it goes over the radiator and the condenser. That's a condenser right there. So that hole goes there, and so on. Yeah, you can't forget the transmission lines. Got two of them, one here and one down. Get those up, and then should be able to just pull the whole fan and radiator out. What it looked like. Okay, these lines are held down by 10mm bolts. One down there as well, and then it'll separate from the radiator or the fan. Alright, you can see. Oh, should be able to pull up on it now. Alright, we got it out. Alright, so to take out this fan, it looked like the whole fan is connected to all of this here. So 10 mil, and that's gonna let the fan come off of the radiator. Got the new one, old one. Alright, so this is why we're replacing it. Again, this here, they done patched it up. Held for a little bit, but gave out. That's what it's supposed to look like. That's the new one. Go ahead and hook everything back up, all my hoses. Moving so fast, I almost forgot about the thermostat. And that's right there. It's easy. That's the housing. Alright, make sure you add the new gasket. Put that on there. That's the old one. Alright, that's it, man. We gotta top it off, and got a new radiator cap. It don't come with a radiator cap, so you gotta put buy a new one and top it off. Leave the air out the system. Yes, sir. Y'all know what to do, man. If you're liking the content, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe, man. All that good stuff. Hit the notification bell for these videos when they drop, man.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, I swear I ain't focused.